here.
Hello, Chris here.
Okay, this is Tony.
Yes, Tony is our driver today as well. We are on the way to Eric's customer Zach's shop.
Here we go.
Yeah,
Let's
and today is our third day of since this is the third day, and we're staying in New Jersey area, and we are planning to spend almost a week, 7 days to visit some customers. Today is the third day, and let's see Zach.
See you soon.
See you.
Here's Tina. Oh, we arrived at Zach's shop. Here's Zach is coming. Zach is coming.
This is Chris.
Great,
Oh,
hi.
hi.
Hello, it's our first station here today.
Okay.
Zach is parking.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
That's Cooper.
Cooper.
Okay, come on.
So I'm Chris. So Zach's on the way.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
great.
So all the staff's coming in now. So let's open everything up. You guys okay?
Okay.
Of course. It's okay, baby. he's all talk, no bite. He's super friendly. It's okay, fellas. Come on, baby. Come on in, guys.
Let's go.
We are in the shop.
A big shop.
Yes, Chris.
Chris.
Okay, man, and here's the.
Oh, beautiful. If you could just sit right there. So I'll tell you guys, hands down, these machines are awesome.
Oh, okay.
I guess because there's so many people at once,
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
not
yeah.
used to it. So you guys are awesome. So anytime we've ever had an issue, you send you a message on Facebook. Granted, it's 9 a.m. for you guys, but 9 p.m. for us. So we'll come back here and we'll do what we have to do. Our first machine and our second machine. We had a salesman come in from Brother, and he told me one of these was 20,000 US.
30,000.
I laughed in his face. I said no, thank you. That software is fantastic.
Yeah.
This, not so much. I guess because it's the older software.
Yeah,
But no, we love these machines. Every one of our customers, like all the samples that we have on the far rack, is everything that was made here. So, like, this was a huge gateway for us and an awesome opportunity to. It's okay, they're friends. No, I mean, we weren't happy. So, but I'm glad you guys got to see one of your customers have a success story out of it. So, I will have to tell you that since we've added the other machine, we probably grew our revenue at least 250, 300,000 easily.
It's great.
Easily. Yeah.
Exactly.
Which I'm like, yeah, we can buy another one. That's fine. We can buy another one. That's totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So I guess we have a whole slew of shops that we're stopping to today.
We got 3.
You get 2 more?
Three or
Okay.
4, yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
And this is our first.
This is your first stop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We open at 10 o'clock, so sorry. We like to sleep in a little bit when we open, but this is usually when we come in now. So if there were embroidery jobs, they would power the machines on,
Okay.
start hooping everything, get everything ready, front computer, all that customer stuff. They would get ready and be good to go. I'm sorry?
Every day you're gonna open it. Machine.
Yeah, so every day we turn, so we're here Monday through Friday, so we're off on the weekends. But we'll power the machines on, make sure everything is 100%, and then off we go.
If you don't mind the way you're around your shop.
Yeah, absolutely, go ahead.
Hi.
Hello.
Do you mind?
So, good morning. So this is basically it. This is our embroidery side over here.
Yeah.
So we were talking to Erica about getting another double head machine at the show if you guys have it.
Yeah. She has to use something new about
Yeah.
what we have.
Yep. But no, the new one that we got there, love every moment of it. Couple minor headaches that we've had and hiccups, but you guys have been great.
Chris
as a
is
team.
here if you have
Chris
some
is here, yeah.
questions.
Perfect. So the little head now, that one's acting up on us. So that one, it'll start a job and then it'll stop maybe 10, 15 stitches after.
Oh.
A lot of what we're doing is bulk stuff. So we're doing a lot of police, fire, EMS here, and they're ordering any kinds of between 20 and 100 different shirts, Carhartt or jackets and things like that. So having the double head is definitely nice because you can run to it.
It's more efficient.
Exactly.
And I believe our new vision is better than this one too. So that's great. So and we will leave on about 23rd, and that is about our 14 days early.
Yeah, after the next day.
Yeah.
These are like 4 shirts to finish that one order I did yesterday. I'm not gonna take it down if
So after rent, payroll, stuff like that, this is like on the bottom of the barrel. So some months if we're doing really good, I'll throw more money, but it's only $1,000 a month. Yeah, and it's almost paid off. That's paid off. This is paid off. Everything over there is paid off. It's just this. Yeah, it's just this. Yeah, basically. The flash is paid off.
it is an extra.
Yeah, so they sell it as a package, but it's itemized. You see everything. So they're like, 6,000 for this, 40,000 for that, 10,000 for electrical. They spread it out, so you're like, oh, it's a great deal, and then you start looking at it, and you're like, oh my god, it's not a great deal.
Yes.
But no, this is a fantastic machine. The engineers actually came out and visited us, and they said it was one of the cleanest machines they've ever had. We try to clean it just about every day. So after we run a job and there's ink everywhere, we'll go in, we'll clean it, we'll make sure it stays nice and shiny. So it's got several presets.
Manual cotton poly.
Correct. Yep. So we do a lot of 50-50 ones, so that's primarily what we end up using. But no, we just this machine retails for $15,000. We bought it from another company for $3,000. Pretty good. 3,000. Pretty good. And then another what we just spent $1,800 on electric. Good deal.
Yeah.
I think so.
Perfect deal.
Yeah, very good deal.
Yeah.
And it still has its warranties.
And the follow-up,
For another, the warranty I think is for another, I think 10 months. So that gives me plenty of time to find an issue, have it fixed.
Test.
Right.
Test and fix.
Exactly. So we got very lucky with this. We had to outside of Washington D.C. to get this.
And I think you guys got a perfect shop.
Thank
for
you.
All the customer stations.
Yeah, I think so too. Thank you. So this says what the product is that we're using, what the print is going to be, where the print is going, and you can see what we've been charging right here. So 20 for the jacket, 5 for the reflective. Yep. And little customer notes, so the customer wants it scaled up 15%. Yep. EMS. There's their police department, the SWAT team, so the tactical.
Okay.
Yep. Tactical emergency medical services, forest fire.
I don't know.
All sorts of cool stuff.
This is just the brand's brand
Yes,
color.
that's all of color. These guys.
Hello. So
Yeah. So
it's boy or girl? Boy. A boy.
yeah. So sometimes we ask for an AI SVG PDF if they have it.
Oh,
If
he
not,
has skills.
they could attach or insert on, or even it does have a little
Okay,
a spike.
so physical card is not necessary. They can tap
Yep.
card information.
Yes.
And here, that's the payment.
Yes.
And your wallet.
Yes. And they'll get an email and an invoice. Yes.
If you shipped with your customers, your orders has been shipped.
Everything.
There's a delivery time here show.
Yeah, everything. It shows you everything. That's why we like it so much. Are you guys?
That's 260.
Yeah. For 5 users.
5 years.
Yes.
5 years accounts to log in.
Correct. So we have login for here. That's
So
it.
it's also a function of show your products and the attractive.
Yes.
And come here to order.
Correct. Yes.
As I show you, like what is your shop homepage? On this shop homepage.
Like our website?
It's okay.
Yeah. It's like I got
Go here.
Like I just have to smell everybody
Click here.
right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
The t-shirts you're gonna need to
So he's gonna open it,
Yeah.
give us the boxes, and
Yes.
that's it.
Oh.
Smile, we got visitors.
Hello. Hi.
They're from China.
Yeah, we're from China.
Video you delivering stuff.
Alright, I gotta find them.
Hello. Hi. Okay. 你们走前面。
Is this your first time coming or no?
For 2 of us, yes, and for their 3 now.
This
Hobby.
every time.
So how often?
Every
Every
time
time.
you use
No,
it.
yeah, but everywhere, all the time, every time?
No.
Okay.
No.
This one every time, and everywhere else how often?
a week.
wait.
A week.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you put the patch. Put the
Put your
patch.
fabric on it.
Put the-
Do
put
I
the
have to
fabric.
like
Yeah. Then.
just leave it like
Yeah,
like how
yeah,
you're doing now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because you will cut it.
Okay.
By this design
It
is
will
not for
out
application.
and
You
put
need
your
to
fabric.
design
Specific.
for specifically for
Then
application.
click.
Yeah, this is my little abode.
Crystal's
Hi. This is Crystal's studio,
Yes.
and this is our mirror,
Yes.
1501.
Here is a thread, and you can
threads open.
open it,
Yes.
and they're all on. So and Ritual is the brand of us for the
Ritual
suppliers.
is the one. Yeah, I think that's where I got these.
Yeah,
from
yeah,
Ritual.
yeah.
Yes.
It's the back, the
Oh,
night.
look at the colors. Wow.
It's
That's
shiny,
so-
right?
Eagles.
And this is the
color
chart.
chart.
Yeah, and
color
we
chart.
offered 100 now.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there are
bobbins?
two bobbins, 2 boxes.
You see my bobbin boxes up there.
Yeah.
I have a mark black and
Oh,
white.
that's from the seed thread, right?
I
Simple.
ordered them off for Etsy,
Oh, I
but I'm not sure that.
Alright.
See, yes, that one came from Simthread,
Yeah.
and then the other one came from somebody else.
Yeah, that's from the sim thread, and
Yes,
we
yes.
all know them.
You know them well?
Yeah, sure.
But do these Bibles work in my mirror?
You must make sure that that should be size
Size
L.
is L.
Yeah.
Yes,
Size
they're
L.
L's.
Okay.
They're
Yeah,
L's.
yeah.
When you see I've been busy, it was 144.
Yes.
Yes, I
So
have
that-
been very busy.
And you can.
But I want to
all
use my
those
buy.
Yeah.
Since
So-
today.
Today we will teach you.
I thank you so much.
You're welcome. And here is a Chinese tea for you.
Beautiful. I love
we
tea.
bring them from China.
Oh,
This
that's
is
so
gift from us.
wonderful.
And,
My neighbor's from England. She brings me tea
brings
from
tea.
England. And chocolate.
chocolate.
Okay. But I forgive you. I'll take the tea. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're
This is
welcome.
beautiful. Wonderful.
Yeah, and
Wonderful
And
gifts.
we want to save your cost for buying all this
Yes, you have. Yes, you have. Yes. Now this design, and you know the eagles, this one, right? So I did so many things with the eagles. You see the green up there on the baby lock. But your design is what? DST?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what they gave me. I don't see DST on
Okay,
it.
got it. So it will need to be transferred.
So what? Which one?
And
Because I don't see DST. I see.
As screen color, you can click this one.
to set.
Oh, and then set it up.
You'll see first one is
got you.
like a
Like
you'll
pink.
find
Pink.
the second one.
got
That's
you.
just the end. Click OK.
Nice. I'll do that after you leave.
Okay, later. Yeah, you can try.
Okay. I just can't get over this 1,000.
1,000.
It's quiet.
It's quiet?
1,000.
Okay.
And it's fast. What's the thing?
A wooden case over the mirror.
That's when it came on. Yeah. we didn't get rid of it.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So nice to see you.
Oh shit.
Bye bye.